Check the klipspringertjies. Yes, awesome. Yes, I didn't see them for a while. Yeah, you see now people are not here. Now the game are coming closer to these fences, and yeah, that's awesome. Flap it. I went right past them. I didn't even spot them there. They just stood there for a while and looked at me. So when I stopped now to get my phone out, they could see me. Because of my camos, they don't see me. They hear me, but they don't know what they are looking at. So then they stand there with their ears listening, and then they didn't catch me. As soon as I stopped and I moved with my arms to get my phone out, they ran off. I managed to get the one. Oh yeah, they're up there. See how beautiful this animal is here. And if people just stay away, the animals will start moving, coming towards this side. I just wish the people can stay away. And this water are not holy, so it's not going to help them. Get the water further down the stream without damaging the fences. Or just come pay and come into the park. Easy as that. See, there they are. There they go. Awesome. Check there. Oh, there's one there. Looking right at me. Looking that side. Awesome to see them. Klipspringertjies are very, very rare to see. Steenbokkies, they are all over. They're even running in small fields in town, if there's a little park there. But places like this, klipspringertjies are very rare to see on the mountains. They only stay at the mountains. That's why they call them klipspringers. They're up there. It's a bunch of them. It's nice to see them. You see now there's another place there that looks like a fire. So I don't know if you guys can see. See, there's dead branches here. Straight right at that middle point, in the middle of this. There's green, so it looks like it's a smoke. But yeah, obviously the air is also a little bit dirty, so it's not clear enough to say, oh, it is dirty. Okay, so let me see. I'm close to the fence where they normally break. See, there's a footpath. You can even see how they walk that mountain there. You see there. It's bad. And it's permanently like that. Alright, let me make a video as soon as I get closer to the fence.